lot of people got mixed emotions about these, but I'll be honest with you, man. I'm actually happy to finally have them. They decided to drop them for the 35th anniversary, and we about to get straight into it. Let's go over. What's going on, sneakerheads? It's your boy P Ambition 23 coming back at you with another sneaker review. Before I get started, I just want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by the channel. Hit that subscribe button because I got more videos coming, man. We're gonna go ahead and get straight into this. Not gonna waste any more of you guys' time, man. Oh, Air Jordan 4 military blue or industrial blue, man. And you guys let me know what's your first thoughts on this shoe. Honestly, I'm actually happy that Jordan Brand is bringing back some of the gems that we've been waiting on for a very long time. Jordan Brand decided to drop this shoe for its 35th anniversary, man. Can you guys believe that? 35 years since we got the OG colorway of the military blue 4s, man. I honestly say this is a beautiful, beautiful colorway. Something that you have to have in the collection. Honestly, for me, it's definitely going to be a double up, man. Now, this shoe is set to release on May 4th for the retail price of $215. You guys let me know down below, will you be copying this? You'll be able to pick these up with your Nike outlet, sneakers app, Foot Action, Foot Locker, you name it, man. You'll be able to get your hands on these. But going straight into it, you guys see that toe box, man. Very, very beautiful, right? It's more of a like off-white versus a white pair. I do have the 2012 pair. I'll show you guys that really quick. Here's the 2012 pair. This is one of the biggest gripes that a lot of sneakerheads are having right now. A lot of sneakerheads wanted this actual color, but they don't. I don't know if they realize that this is the actual OG color of the 1989 pair. I mean, you guys let me know which one down below you would go for. I mean, you guys see that my 2012 pair is basically cooked, man. Guys, see, I don't even have the wings on them no more, man. Definitely gonna keep this one in the collection. Try to see if I can get somebody to midsole swap it. You know, put the wings back on it and replace those back tabs. Might be able to have somebody put the Nike Air on the back, man. But you guys let me know down below which one would you go for. Like Jordan Brand, would it be in the 35th anniversary of this shoe? Could have gave us a little bit better materials. I've seen a lot of people on IG, they were having problems with their pairs if they did hit on a shock drop. A lot of the shock drop pairs came in having issues. I personally ended up buying resale just so I can go ahead and get this review out for you guys. Shout out to GOAT for the assist on this pair. Moving around to the back, you got that Nike Air. One of the best things that a lot of people like to have on Jordan 3s, Jordan 4s. You know, I feel like when you were in high school, man, you had that that Nike Air on the back instead of that Jordan Jumpman. You was the man, man. Especially when you had the Brez or the Fire Reds. That Nike Air on the back set this shoe off. Moving up to the tongue, you guys see that we actually have that industrial blue or military blue Jumpman inside of the tongue. They gave us basically kind of like the OG tongue. You know, it's very, very plush. And then you got Air Jordan on the back of that tongue. Moving inside the shoe is going to come with a paper insert. And then for the insole itself, it's in that industrial blue or military blue colorway with white Nike Air. All right, Dream Cell insole, you know, the basic, the usual. Go true to size on this. If you guys ever had the Jordan 4s, man, you know that these joints are some pinky toe crushers. Okay, so I would definitely suggest going true to size, man. It's really not too much to really talk about this shoe. You got Nike Air at the bottom. You guys know what you're getting straight out of the box if you are going for them. Like I said, I know there's a lot of people out there who aren't satisfied with this pair, but I mean, come on, man. It's as close as possible to the OG. You guys see that toe box, kind of give us that Nike SB vibe. You can't go wrong with this pair, man. I don't see why you wouldn't go ahead and pick these joints up. You got the Nike tag. A lot of people were complaining about this too. They wanted to have the, you know, the plastic hang tag, the strong plastic hang tag that came in the 2012 pair. I mean, Jordan Brand is just trying to, you know, save a little bit of money, give us a little bit something different. I'll say what my biggest concern is with this shoe is what the creasing is going to be like. You know, I might even have to invest in some crease guards or something like that just to help with that, because I see a lot of people complaining on the internet as well about creasing when it comes to this shoe. You guys see it's not really like that tumbled leather. So it's the leather is okay, you know, for basically what we're getting. But again, you know, if we would have got some tumbled leather, I think this shoe would have been set off a whole lot more. You guys see the caging. Like I said, not too much to actually talk about or go over on the shoe. You guys know what you're getting. I'm pretty sure you've seen millions of videos about this shoe. So you're gonna get the standard Air Jordan 4 box as usual. All right, black lid, white cement at the bottom, black cement at the bottom. All right, and then this Air Jordan 4 off-white military blue. I got it in a size 8. Sometimes for my Jordans, my Jordan 4s, I like to go down the size. You know, that's just me. I don't recommend you guys doing it. It's just me. I like to keep as many creases out of my shoes as possible. We're gonna go over that color code. It's FV5029141. Okay. Again, I got these joints in a size 8. Going inside of the box, again, your regular degular. You got that cement paper, and like I told you guys, I got these joints for GOAT. Shout out to GOAT, man. All right, for the assist on these joints, minimum 2 pair. All right, I gotta have 2 pair. I'm definitely having another video drop after this one. You guys let me know, man. Was this a cop for you? Is this a cop? Is this something that you guys want to go for, or are you gonna pass on them, man? You let me know down below. Are you going for this pair? Sub up to the channel, leave some comments for your boy, man. It's greatly appreciated. I'm gonna go ahead and drop this real versus fake, so you guys stay tuned for that, man. Check out that video right after this one. I'm pretty sure you guys will like that one, man. But it's your boy P Ambition 23 coming back at you with another sneaker review, man. Thank you guys for watching. Again, follow your boy on Instagram, P Ambition 23. Sub up to the channel, leave some feedback down below, man. It's greatly appreciated. Until the next video, you guys stay blessed out there.